Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best car upholstery cleaner you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best car upholstery cleaner in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is CarGuys Super Cleaner. This multi-surface product works on absolutely every interior or exterior surface except glass and delicate instrument panel screens. That means this one product will clean upholstery, fabric, canvas, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, bird poop, grease, tree sap, metals, wood trim and so much more. This is the most versatile multi-purpose cleaner on the market. It gets frustrating fast. Just cleaning your vehicle requires some special deep stain remover, a chemical solvent to get rid of bug and tar, a separate floor mat and inner dash cleaner. And the list goes on and on. Keep it simple with one multi-purpose product, CarGuys Super Cleaner. These products are made with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. This helps us make consistently high quality products that always work great. Every formula we make is mixed and bottled. This effective product uses a unique cleaning technology that penetrates the surface to loosen and lift away all of the embedded dirt, oil and grime so that it can be easily wiped away with a microfiber towel. Our second best car upholstery cleaner is CarGuys Fabric Upholstery Cleaner. CarGuys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean dissolves and removes dirt, odors, and stains from automotive carpets, fabrics, and upholstery. Passengers routinely track in dirt, grime, and filth on the bottoms of their shoes, then grind it deep into floor mats and carpets. Spilled beverages, dropped food, sweat, and body oils can easily stain fabrics and upholstery on seats and door panels. CarGuys Fabric Clean is the choice for soccer moms, enthusiasts, and professional detailers everywhere. The hyper-concentrated interior shampoo easily breaks down contaminants, filth, and stains from any fabric surface inside a vehicle. Dilute fabric clean in a sprayer bottle. Mist a light coat over offending stains, then scrub them with a stiff brush to loosen the bond with the fabric. Easily remove drink spills, dirt stains, and body oils from seats and armrests with Fabric Clean. The high sudsing action lifts and separates embedded dirt and filth particles from deep within fabrics and float them to the surface for easier removal. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is CarGuys Upholstery Stain Extractor. CarGuys has become a favorite among car enthusiasts thanks to its extensive selection of car cleaning and detailing supplies. If you're looking to remove spots and stains from dirt, grease, coffee, soda, wine, and pets from your interior, its lightning-fast carpet and upholstery stain extractor will come in handy. This formula is safe for use on fabric, carpet, and upholstery, and it eliminates odors to leave the interior of your car smelling fresh and clean. This product will dissolve stains by penetrating deep into the skin. It'll emulsify and lift dirt and debris to the surface after that. Although it's tough on stains and spots, it's gentle on fabrics and dyes, so you don't have to worry about it causing damage to your home. Scrub vigorously and thoroughly for heavier stains, and use a hot water extractor if necessary. Lightning Fast Stain Extractor is the super powerful spot and stain remover for fabrics, upholstery, and carpet. Use lightning fast to destroy tough spots and stains from dirt, grease, coffee, soda, wine, and pets. The all-new formula quickly cleans fabric, carpet, and upholstery. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Tuff Stuff Multi-Purpose Foam Cleaner. Tuff Stuff Multi-Purpose Foam Cleaner delivers powerful cleaning for tough jobs. Its deep cleaning foaming action lifts dirt and helps restores true color and appearance. Perfect for cleaning any washable or painted surface. Ideal for auto, boat and home. Especially effective for cleaning vinyl and fabric upholstery, floor mats, carpets and chrome. Excellent for cleaning appliances, formica, bathroom fixtures, asphalt or ceramic tile, painted walls, wall coverings, screens, window fans, porcelain, painted wood or metal. It's great for fabric and vinyl upholstery, as well as floor mats and carpet, in your car. It can also be used on any washable or painted surface in the house, including bathroom fixtures, painted walls, and more. This is the option to choose if you want a thorough, all-around upholstery cleaning with quick results. It's ideal to use every time you wash your car because it allows you to clean your seats and other interior components, as well as your floor mats and carpet, if necessary. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best car upholstery cleaner list is Black Diamond Upholstery Cleaner. It's still great for cleaning the upholstery in your car. If you want to buy in bulk, Black Diamond offers this option in 32-ounce and 1-gallon sizes. It's a professional strength offering that's safe to use around people, pets, and the environment. It's formulated to remove old or new spots, stains, and spills. It's colorless and safe to use on cotton, wool, microfiber, and nylon. It's a great cleaner for your car's seats, floor mats, and carpet, and it's ideal for carpets, rugs, upholstery, and fabric. This solution, according to Black Diamond, is phosphate-free, biodegradable, hypoallergenic, and free of ingredients that could harm your carpet or upholstery. Carpet Spot Remover is part of Black Diamond's premium line of cleaners that were designed to outperform the competition by making it easy to clean and protect the fine surfaces in your home.